All right, let's get ready for the track. All right, so just went through tech inspection, but here we are, NJMP, track day. A lot of good cars out here. So very interested to see how the track day goes. Met a couple people, which were pretty cool. And this is Kylie. She's a cutie. All right, so we just did class and we're about to do a track lap. What do they call it? Getting on the track. So we'll get on the track, get to learn a little bit of the track, and then my group will go out first. I'm in the beginner class. So beginner and novice will follow the pace car, and then intermediate will have their own. I need to get fuel.
Here they had all of us on the track for the track walk, where they brought us to different turning points to discuss and go over how we should handle all the different sections of the track. They also showed us the curb areas where we should and should not go on. It was definitely an awesome experience. Session out was more of a trial run around the track for the first few laps. After that, they picked up the pace a little bit, but due to my tires, I was not confident in pushing the car. I fixed my issue by the second session. Here on the second session, my car definitely felt a lot better after fixing the issue with the tires. The car definitely felt more planted than before, so I was able to pick up some speed. around, they threw a black flag towards me because they split up each group into twos, and the second pace car already caught up to me. So they brought me in to regroup.
right, so did two sessions.
Intro group, your session will begin in 10 minutes.
That's
Once
me.
Again,
So I did the first session,
and
it was bad. My car was all over the place. Come to find out, I got tires put on and they were inflated extremely high. So deflated them to where they should be, and the car definitely felt a lot better. But obviously, as you can see from the action cam footage, I don't know. The track it's intimidating at points. You know, this is my first time on it, so I was holding a couple people back. But we have one more session to go. I don't have that much gas left, so I'm probably just gonna do a lap or two and see how it goes. but hopefully everything goes okay. It's an experience. It's definitely an experience. So let's try it again. All right, just finished the last session.
So for my last session, I took off my ND filter on my Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which blew out the highlights in the video, causing the footage unusable. It was pretty much the same driving, I just was slightly more confident.
Of the day, it went a little bit better than obviously the first session and the second session. The car felt pretty good, definitely felt a lot better than it did before. I still think I'm being held back. It could just be me, or just could be the car itself. Maybe get some new tie rods. I thought they were okay, but maybe get them. Might even go with bigger wheels and tires. I don't know. This is my first track day, first time ever being on a track with a car. So I'm not too sure, but this was my experience here at New Jersey Motorsports Park. It was a good experience, great people, met some, cool people. Yeah, so this was the Neon's first time out. And the biggest thing is it didn't break. So I'm going away, going home, it's still running. That's all I'm happy about. I'm in one piece, the car's in one piece. I'm not sure if I'm ending the video here. It's a good possibility. So until next time, I'll either be doing some more modifications to the yellow car or maybe the white car, who knows, or you might see me back on the track again. But until then, thank you for watching this. Take care.